Azure Capacity Reservations allow you to reserve compute capacity for your virtual machines in a specific Azure region. This ensures that you have guaranteed capacity when you need it, avoiding any potential delays or availability issues during peak demand times. Managing these reservations efficiently can optimize your cloud spend and improve workload reliability. Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I'm Manhar and welcome back to MSFT WebCast. In this video, we will walk you through how to create and manage capacity reservations in Azure. In our last video, we learned the difference between reserved instances and capacity reservations in Azure. We covered when to reserved instances and capacity reservations. Check out the link in the description to watch it. On-demand capacity reservation enables you to reserve compute capacity in an Azure region or availability zone for any duration. Unlike reserved instances, there is no need to commit to a 1-year or 3-year term. You can create and delete reservations anytime, giving you full control over how you manage them. Capacity reservation is always created as part of a capacity reservation group. The first step is to create a group. If a suitable one doesn't exist already, then create a reservations. After reservations are successfully created, they are immediately available for use with virtual machines. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to portal.azure.com and sign in with your Azure account. Step 1. Create a capacity reservation group. In the search bar at the top of the portal, type Capacity Reservation Groups. Under Services, select Capacity Reservation Groups. To create a new Capacity Reservations group, click on Create. Select the subscription in which you want to create the reservation. Choose the resource group you want to use or create a new one. Provide the name of the Capacity Reservation group. Select the Azure region where you want to reserve capacity. Optionally, you can select availability zones or allow Azure to choose for you. Since this is the test setup, I'll select None option. Click Review plus Create. Clicking Create will only create the capacity reservation group in Azure. It will not create a capacity reservation. Go to the Reservations tab as you also want to create a capacity reservation. You can create multiple reservations within a single capacity reservation group. Enter the name of the reservation and choose the number of instances to create. Let me specify the reservation name Azure Free VMs and instance count value to 1. Next, select the VM size for this reservation. Click the VM size drop-down menu to view all VM sizes. We will get a list of the VM size most commonly used by Azure users. If you don't see your desired VM size, click See All Sizes to view the complete list. Expand B series. From the list, we will select the B1S VM size. Click on Select. In this example, we have only added one capacity instance to the group. You can add more instances to the same capacity reservation group. Click on the Review plus Create button. Wait for the validation to complete. Review your capacity reservation group information. If everything looks good, click the Create button. It will take a few seconds to create the capacity reservation group and capacity reservation. Deployment completed successfully. We have successfully created a capacity reservation group and a capacity reservation. Click on Go to Resource. After the capacity reservation is successfully created, it's immediately available for use with virtual machines. Go to the Reservations tab to see a newly added capacity reservation. We can see the reservations in the group along with the VM size and quantity reserved. Check the status. In our case, it has succeeded. Once you have created a capacity reservation group and capacity reservation, you may want to modify them. For example, suppose that based on your requirements, you now need to change the number of instances reserved in an existing capacity reservation. Step 2. Modify a capacity reservation. Go to your capacity reservation group. Select Manage Reservation at the top. Now enter the new quantity to be reserved in the instances field. In our case, we want to increase the instance count from 1 to 2. Enter the new instance count and then click on the Save button. The current capacity is 1. Now the capacity has been changed to 2. Let's wait for the update process to complete. This may take a few seconds. The changes have been saved successfully. Click refresh to see the updated information about the reservation. The current instance capacity is now 2 and the status shows as succeeded. Step 3. How to delete a capacity reservation group and capacity reservation. Azure only allows a group to be deleted when all the member capacity reservations are deleted and no VMs are associated to the group. To delete a capacity reservation, first find out all the VMs that are associated to it. Deassociate every VM. In our example, we haven't associated a virtual machine with the capacity reservation. Therefore, we can proceed directly with the deletion process. First, we need to delete each capacity reservation in the group. Go to the Reservations tab. Select the reservation you want to delete. At the top, select Delete. On the confirmation pop-up, click Yes to confirm deletion. Please wait for the confirmation notification to appear. The capacity reservation has been deleted successfully. Click Refresh to see the updated information. We can now proceed to delete the capacity reservation group. Go to the capacity reservation group you want to delete. At the top, select Delete. On the confirmation pop-up, click Yes to confirm deletion. The delete option will not be available if the capacity reservation group contains any capacity reservations. Please wait for the confirmation notification to appear. The capacity reservation group has been deleted successfully. Go to the home page and then click on Capacity Reservation Group. Verify that the capacity reservation group has been deleted successfully. That's all for this video on how to create and manage capacity reservation group in Azure. In the next video, we will learn how to associate a virtual machine with a capacity reservation. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Microsoft Azure and other Microsoft related topics. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.